This YouTube channel has come up with a winning formula by combining 3 powerful areas, and as the results show, it really works. They've only been around for about a month, but in that short time, they've managed to attract over 1 million to hundreds of thousands of subscribers by uploading 1 video a day. Here's the interesting thing. One of their videos that was released just a day ago has over 500,000 views, and even a video that was uploaded just a few days ago has nearly 7 million views. These statistics are not random. There's a smart strategy behind them. By combining interesting content with a fun atmosphere, this channel has created a completely unique style that the YouTube algorithm has fallen in love with. These videos are usually very easy to create. Best of all, they don't take much time to create. You can produce a full video in under 15 minutes using free AI tools. Whether you have a full-time job or are looking to build a sustainable YouTube business, this could be the goldmine you've been looking for. Now you might be wondering, is it really possible to make money from this type of content? In this video, I'll walk you through it step by step, from choosing compelling topics, writing impactful scripts, generating voiceovers using AI, to the final result, just like the professional examples on these channels. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button. It's completely free, but your support will be a strong motivation for me to keep going. Now let's take a quick look at what we're going to build together. Now head over to Tasa App. The link is in the video description. Just sign up for free with your Gmail account and get started. If you're looking to grow fast, this simple process can be the start of an automated money-making channel for you. Now that you've registered, you've entered a fully professional dashboard. Here, you have access to powerful and diverse tools that allow you to create professional videos in just a few minutes. With Sora 2, the newest and most advanced video generation model from OpenAI, you can create videos with stunning realism. This next-generation tool has taken AI video quality to a completely new level. In the Smart Cut Clips section, by simply entering a YouTube video link or uploading a video file, the AI automatically selects the most viral and engaging parts of the video for you and adds subtitles. With Streamer Clipper, you can create exciting clips from your favorite streamers, add titles and subtitles, and apply a classic blurred background for a fully professional result. In the Reddit Stories section, you can generate emotional or scary stories with natural AI voices for narration and introduction, while the rest of the story plays over a video clip in the background, just like popular Reddit videos on YouTube. In the Text Story tool, one of the most popular formats on TikTok, you can use AI to write engaging story texts, then let the AI voice narrate them to produce a professional and entertaining result. Finally, the Don't Say the Same Thing as Me section is one of the most fun and engaging parts. Here, you can create challenge-style videos where viewers must try not to repeat what you say. By adding unexpected twists and funny scenes, you can keep the audience engaged until the end of the video. Now I'm selecting the Don't Say the Same Thing as Me option, so we can step-by-step see how to use this tool to create an engaging and interactive video. Now in this section, you can choose from a few popular characters. For example, Stewie and Peter Griffin, or Rick and Morty, or even SpongeBob SquarePants. In this video, I'll choose SpongeBob SquarePants. In this video, I'll choose SpongeBob. Then go to the script section. This is where you need to write the dialogues, the conversations that the characters are going to say in the video. You can write them however you like, depending on what tone and atmosphere you want the video to be: funny, educational, or even challenging. After writing the dialogues, go to the Style section. In this section, you can choose the subtitle style, adjust the font size, change the color and position of the subtitles, and give your video a more professional look. Now we come to the Video section. Here you can choose one of the cool options for the background of your video, such as green screen, or popular environments, such as Minecraft, Trackmania, or Riders. I choose Minecraft for this video. Finally, just click the Export Your Video button, and that's it. In a few seconds, your video is ready. Now let's watch the created video together.
Hey Patrick, let's play a game! Yay! What game, SpongeBob? What's your favorite food? You copied me! Krabby Patty! What's your favorite color? Same again? Pink! What do you never forget at home? Nice, different. My rock! What animal would you be? Patrick, not saying. Jellyfish! What do you do on Sunday? Good job. Sleep!
Now this time I decided to try the Rick and Morty section. Like last time, we will do all the steps from beginning to end to see how the final result of this video will be. First, we will enter the character selection section, and this time I will choose Rick and Morty from the options. As you know, these two characters are always full of strange adventures, funny conversations, and unpredictable situations. Then we will do all the previous steps again. script, style, video, and finally export your video. Each section of these tools is designed very simple and user-friendly. And even if you are a beginner, you can easily create a professional video. Tasa App is truly a complete and comprehensive platform for creating AI videos. From character selection and writing dialogues, to attractive effects and backgrounds, everything is ready and customizable. Now that everything is ready, just click on export your video, and within seconds the final video will be created. Let's watch the result together and see how fun and engaging this video can be.
Morty, let's play a game.
Okay, Rick, what game?
What's your favorite drink?
Lame answer, Morty. Space soda.
Where do you want to travel?
Boring, Morty.
Another dimension.
What's your biggest fear?
Awkward. Losing my portal gun.
What do you love most?
Focus, Morty.
Science.
What would you do with one wish?
Classic Morty. Infinite portals.
Now we want to try the third part, Stewie and Peter Griffin. Like the previous times, we will do all the steps from start to finish to create a professional and complete video. First, we select the characters, then we enter the script section and write the dialogues. Then we make the style settings, select the background and effects in the video section, and finally click on export your video to prepare the final video. I must say that Tasa App is one of the most powerful and best platforms I have ever seen. Everything in it is designed very simply, quickly and intelligently, and even novice users can create a high-quality video in a few minutes. From the variety of characters and effects, to the possibility of producing professional sound and subtitles, everything is at your disposal and offers an enjoyable experience of creating content. Now that our third video is ready, let's watch it together and see how Stewie and Peter Griffin appeared in the video and how fun and engaging the result is.
Hey Peter, let's play a brain game.
Oh boy, my brain's not ready, Stewie.
What's your favorite food? Think fast, Peter.
Cookies.
What's your favorite TV show?
Brilliant. You just said the same thing. Family Guy, obviously.
What do you do when you're bored? Impressive. Different answers for once.
Invent things.
Who's the smartest in the house?
Peter, you can't even spell IQ. Me, of course.
What would you do with one wish? Classic Peter, food over power.
Take over the world.
Now I want to play around with Sora 2 a bit and see how this powerful tool creates videos. I had previously told ChatGPT to create different and trending prompts for me, and now all those prompts are ready. I copy the prompts one by one and import them into Sora 2 to see how this intelligent system produces powerful and engaging videos. This tool is truly amazing because it can create professional videos with sound, character movements, and cool effects from simple text, and that too, in a matter of minutes. After we import and process all the prompts, all the videos will be ready. Finally, we will watch all the videos together to see how professional, entertaining, and ready to publish the result is. This step is really exciting and shows how AI can make content creation fast, easy, and creative.
Keep your notes organized, focus on one task at a time, give yourself short breaks, and remember why you're studying. When you create a clear, calm space, staying on track feels a whole lot easier.